Hey guys, I'm going to cover a stock from the metal sector today, and the stock is called SAIL, which is Steel Authority of India Limited. Let us quickly look at the price range. It's basically from the low of 3.95 to the all-time high of 293. So it has a wide range right from here to here. But what's important to notice is since almost 2012 till 2021, the price moved in the same range. Now, this particular range is marked in two lines. One is at the support level, which is 31 rupees, and the other is at the resistance level, which is around 115 rupees. Now, what happened in 2020, which was a pandemic year, in that particular year, price broke the support level, which is this, and in fact, it went down till almost 20 rupees. And from the low of 20 rupees, it moved all the way till here, which is around 150 rupees. Yeah. So in 2020, 2021, price moved from this particular range of 20, and while it was moving up, it broke the entire range and it went up till 150 rupees. Now, if we are currently on the yearly time frame. If I break this on the monthly time frame, it will give you a better idea. Now, look at this on the monthly time frame. This was the range in which the price was moving in 2020. Price came here, which was around 20 rupees, and right from here it went all the way till 150 rupees. So that's the kind of movement that price has done in the past 2 to 3 years. What's important here to notice is, just give me a minute. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do a marking here, which was a very important level on monthly time frame. I'm gonna give it an orange color line. 1 minute. Okay. Now this particular range was from 66.67 to 78. Now the reason why I have marked this particular range is because this is the range that this is the range which basically gave a nice big green solid candle, which is called a leg out, that actually resulted in breaking resistance resistance, not just that, this resistance as well. In just about month or two, the price moved all the way from 66 rupees till 150 rupees in just 2 months. So this was a very strong level, but sometimes what happens is these levels also act as a trap level. Many of the traders believe that since this level has already given such a good move, in the future, whenever the price comes in this particular level, will once again give a move and a fast move. But unfortunately, sometimes, especially retail traders, get trapped in these levels, and this is what exactly has happened. Now, if you look at a weekly time frame, I'll just quickly go back to monthly time frame once. If you look at this particular candle, which is June 2022, here the price actually broke the bottom of this range, sorry, this level, which was 66.67, marked in a orange candle, sorry, orange line, and price moved little down here. If you look at this, which was a low of 63.6 rupees. So what happens is, many a times what traders think is, if this level is broken, now this stock has become all the more weaker, and there are chances that it will go all the more further down, and that's where the entire game changes. Yeah, what actually happened here is this level was broken and the price went little below that. I'll just remove these markings. 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So the whole idea of basically concentrating on this particular point is the price broke this particular level. It went little down, and exactly from here it started recovering. I will quickly split this into weekly time frame and show you what exactly happened. Yeah. So this is where the support was broken. Just below that, this was a very good level from where the move had started. Yeah, which is marked in blue. So it was 62.3 to 65.69 was another level right below that monthly time frame. Price entered exactly this level here in June 2022. This particular candle. See, this is where the price came in and it started recovering exactly from here. Now, when it started recovering exactly from this level, it went up and started consolidating near this blue line. This blue line is nothing but a 20 EMA. We are currently looking at it from a weekly time frame. Now, here the price has been moving in the range and consolidated for a very long time in this particular range. If you look at this in the monthly time frame as well, this is the range. But recently what has happened is this range was completely basically broken. So this was a range or rather a resistance. This is the level I'm marking. Let's say from 89 to 93, 94. And in the recent couple of weeks, this range has been broken and the price has moved little above 94 as well. Now this is another strong indication and we can start expecting good movement in sale going forward in couple of few months. This can definitely be considered for a long-term investment. Just a quick thing before I move into further section. When the price was coming down after hitting 150, it was coming down in a particular channel pattern. So it was coming, hitting the support, again going to resistance, again hitting the support, resistance, support, and it kept on doing right from May 21 till June 2022 for almost a year. It entered this particular level, which I would call it as a trap level because monthly time frame it broke the level, it went little down. Yeah, basically kind of trapped many traders, and exactly from here it started recovering, consolidated for a very long time for many months, and finally it has started now moving and going outside the range as well. Now, I don't recommend using a lot of indicators, but if you look at one particular indicator, which is RSI, on monthly time frame, it has started going up. So it started moving, it has given a crossover and started going higher high already on monthly time frame. Look at this. So it's moving higher high. On weekly time frame also, it has started moving higher high. So this is another strong indication of sale basically looking much stronger now. And if you look at the sector, the metal sector, this has already given a good move right from here till here. Now it's time for sale, and now let's track this particular stock and see how it moves.